We're getting ready to make our pressure cook our chicken for canning. There's my wonderful husband. We have all our ingredients is just about out and ready to go. I'm gonna flip this around so you can see what we have going on. Alright, in our Instapot we already put the chicken, we rinsed it. We already diced up all our ingredients. You can use whatever you want, however many you want. There's our onions, our chopped onions. You can have them thin, thick. We got baby carrots, colorful ones, but we're not going to chop them. We have our jalapenos all chopped up, our squash, yellow squash all chopped up, celery all chopped up, including the leaves. We've got green peppers all chopped up, and then we're going to also add in a can of Mexican style chili lime rotel and a can of chili fixins. Now you can use whichever ones you want to. You don't have to use those particular ones. And then we got over here something new we've added to our mix is some red enchilada sauce. We got the bigger can. We got some of our Goya Salzone and ground cumin and chili powder. Like I said, we already have the chicken in there. We're just going to dump all these things in here. You can dice them as big or as little as you want to. If you want to have like a more texture for a soup, dice them bigger. If you want them to melt away, dice them smaller. So we're going to add all these in.
Let's switch to view. Oh, you got it there?
Yeah, I got it right here. We're adding in all our ingredients.
You watch it.
Yep.
Jalapeno, green pepper, onion.
We already did the celery, or no, we didn't do the celery. Uh-oh. I think we're running out of room. I don't know if we have room for the carrots. Or are we going to add the carrots later on?
The carrots will be later.
Okay. I did forget one thing.
Oh, I'm just moving the chicken around so it'll
Go underneath it.
Oh!
Ooh.
It's the first time it's went over like that.
Yeah. And water. Oops. Sorry about that. And we're adding a little bit of water. We're gonna pause this for just a minute, clean up our mess, and show you what's next.
Just leave it there for a second.
Record. We're also adding some
We need a tablespoon for that.
core chicken bouillon, and we're also adding some lime juice too. As we get the measuring spoons out.
Pay attention to the camera.
All right, we're adding some core chicken bouillon. We've got one tablespoon.
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons.
Good enough.
Don't worry about it. We set aside the carrots for later. We're going to put those in a little, or after it's cooked for a little while, because we want them a little bit
About that much
firmer.
of a cap.
Of the Goya Salzone.
Comes up to 1.
About 2 tablespoons.
Nope. It'll be 2. Okay. About 2 tablespoons now.
lime juice.
Notice where it's minuscing at right here?
Uh-huh.
You don't want the
Oh.
water to go above that.
Hold on a second.
Got a little thing.
Make sure you don't put anything extra in there. But you can, like I said, you can season it however you want to. This is the cumin.
It's probably about a tablespoon.
About a tablespoon. Maybe a little bit more.
Yep, it's about a
About,
tablespoon.
about a tablespoon. Chili powder. About 2 tablespoons.
Yeah, that's about good enough like that.
And like I said, if you
Vinegar.
can vinegar. This is the vinegar we like to use, the Heinz, when we cook. We'll use the other vinegar when we,
Does it have a cup right there?
about a half a cup.
Well, half a cup.
So about a quarter cup of,
Half of a half cup.
yes, a quarter cup of vinegar.
Okay, yeah. Quarter cup.
And
And
then,
yours should be good to go right there.
and then you put your lid on. You put it on pressure cook, high, and we're gonna go, how many hours? 3?
I mean, actually, chicken.
Yeah,
Chicken. We're gonna go 45 minutes.
45 minutes? 'Cause
We're gonna open it 45 minutes, and we're gonna add carrots to it.
Yes.
No, go 35 minutes actually.
35 minutes?
Yes, we're adding carrots this time, so that's why we're doing it a little bit different this time. We're adding carrots, but we want to add carrots like a half hour to 35 minutes in, and then we'll put the carrots, and all that stuff should be boiled down by then, and it'll be more like a soup, but it'll be good stuff because it'll fill all of them jars. It'll fill at least 5, 6, 7 of them probably, because that's a lot of